Okay, guys, another war attack here. Check out this war base here. It's got two Xbows pointed to the, guess what? The ground. So I am gonna come in with an air attack. It's gonna be a Penta lava balloon. I'm gonna come in with 5 lava hounds coming in on this side, the queen side. Take her out. I'm gonna draw out the CC troops up here on the top. I'm going to use my heroes up here to take out the CC troops and take out possibly this and this defense. Check out my air attack. Step 1, draw out the CC troops. And look at that, check it out, 2 air mines, perfect. Pour this dragon up top. Drop my tank, which is my barbarian king. Drop my archer queen. She's gonna start working on that dragon. BK ability. Archer queen's about to take out this dragon. The dragon goes down. Archer queen comes in, takes out that archer tower. Here comes the balloons, which do not matter now because I'm taking out the CC and that part of the raid is complete. Here comes my Penta. Well, here comes 4 lava hounds, I should say. Coming in inside the queen, drop a couple rages. Need to get those balloons in to where those air defenses are and rage on top of the queen, so those pups can start going crazy. Another rage spell, lava hound up top, a couple balloons up top. Got one final rage that I'm gonna drop to get my balloons over to that last air defense. Air sweeper up on top, pushing my balloons out. My queen is still alive. She's about to go down right there. Skeletons and cannon comes out, kills her. Lava pups going buck wild. I got 4 minions that just dropped on the corner. Last defense goes down and got a bunch of cleanup troops. Little skellies there on the ground. I'm gonna drop my poison spell right on top. Another 10 in the imp 3-star. Check out my war comp. It is 5 lava hounds, 18 balloons, 5 minions. Thanks for watching.